Hey, so this is gonna be a really fast, practical, short, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, anything. This is February 27th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 234 of consistently helping people build consistency. So basically, one of the most effective way to be consistent at doing something is to just ask one of our friends to keep us accountable, okay? To keep us on track. Okay? It could be something as simple as this, basically. Make sure that you ask them politely and also, you ask for their permission, right? And it's basically not going to be that much of a bother for them actually, you know, because it's something as simple as just asking you whether you're still sticking to the thing or not. Okay, so let's say you want to be consistent at exercising, right? You're gonna be asking your friend to just chat you, to just ask you whether you are still consistent at exercising on that particular day. Okay, something that's that simple. Okay, so why it's gonna be effective when we just ask the help of our friend to keep us accountable, to keep us to help us stay consistent, right? By something as simple as asking them to chat us on a daily basis. Is that because here's the thing. I don't know about you, right? But for most people, I don't know about most people, but yeah, for some people, right? We don't we are not consistent. We are not being consistent at doing our things because we don't really think anybody really care about it. Okay? We don't really think like if we do this thing, somebody will care, okay? So one of the best way to actually be consistent is that we make somebody care about it, okay? And when we are talking about our friends, those people are the ones who actually want to us, you know, have a good future, have a, bright future, be consistent at doing positive things, blah, 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 right? So when we just communicate to our friends that, hey, I've been struggling with being consistent at exercising. I really want to be consistently exercising because exercising is an important thing. I want to be healthy. I always struggle to study consistently. I want to study. I want to be smart. Blah 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 blah. When we just show them, we just tell them about our struggle and why we want to be consistent at doing that thing, and we ask their help, right, to help us stay consistent. We're gonna be thinking like we're gonna be feeling like, oh yeah, if I my friend, he is expecting me to be consistent at exercising because he wants to see me succeed, okay? Because I've told my friend about my problems on being consistent, and he or she actually care about it. And now he or she is helping me on a day-to-day basis, asking me whether I'm still being consistent or not, okay? So the thing that I'm gonna be doing here is that I don't want to let him down. I don't want to let her down. You know what? I'm just gonna be doing my exercising today. I'm gonna be doing my studying today, okay? And I don't really think it's people pleasing or anything. It's just it's just it's just more of the context of, we as friends help each other. We as friends, as good friends, we want to see each other succeed, right? And then also you can offer, right? Offer to your friend that, hey, if you're also struggling with something, you can ask me to help you stay consistent. You can also ask me to do the same, okay? Let's track the accountability of each other, okay? Let's track each other's accountability, right? So basically, it's kind of like symbiosis, mutualism, right? Where every party, every side got the benefits, right? We just keep on track we just keep on track the consistency of, each other's consistency, and make sure that people actually care, our friends actually care. I actually care about my friends routine. I actually do care about my friends being consistent at exercising because I want to see him being healthy, okay? And also my friend wants to see me being consistent at studying because he wants to see me, have good grades and so on and so on, right? So basically it's just friends helping friends being consistent. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it from me for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you found this video helpful. And for the date authenticity post, today, February 27th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a universe gameplay post last 24 hours.